I would like to start this lesson with the quote by Steve Jobs. Your work is going to fill a large part of your life. Only way to be satisfied is to do what you believe is great work. And the only way to do great work is to love what you do. You must be knowing Steve Jobs. He was the co-founder and the chairman of Apple Computer. iPhone, iPad are products of Apple's. Today we are going to understand the structures of question, affirmative sentences, negative statements in present and past continuous tenses in active and passive voice. So let's begin. Active sentences in the present continuous tense have the following structure: subject plus am is are plus verb ing form and object. Passive structure: object of the active sentence plus any suitable verb is, am, are plus being. Being is used to show the progressive tense of the sentence plus V3 past participle by and subject of the active sentence. Look at the example. He is writing a novel at the moment. Active sentence. He subject, is writing verb, novel object. In passive sentence, a novel will come on the subject's place and him on the object's place. From am is are, is a suitable helping verb here. So it is written, then being is written, then V3 and by and rest of the sentence. A novel is being written by him at the moment. Now look at the past continuous active sentences structure: subject plus was or were plus ing form plus object. Passive sentences in past continuous tense have following structures: object of the active sentence plus was, were plus being plus past participle by and then the subject of the active sentence. Take a look at the example here. He was writing a letter at 8 o'clock yesterday. A letter was being written by him at 8 o'clock yesterday. Now look at the structure for asking questions in present continuous passive. Am is are plus subject plus being plus past participle. What houses are being built opposite the park? Is the party being prepared by her? The structure for asking questions in past continuous passive is was, were plus subject plus being plus past participle. What music was being played when we came to the park? Were you being helped by Jamie? Being is used before past participle and between subject and past participle. To make a negative form of present continuous passive, insert not between am, is or are and being. You can also use isn't or aren't. The work is not being performed at the moment because the customer did not pay in time. The classrooms aren't being cleaned now. To make a negative form of past continuous passive, insert not between was or were and being. You can also use were, wasn't or weren't. So to form negative, use not between helping verb and being. Let's revise. In the case of negative sentence, not being is added after helping verbs. In the case of interrogative sentences, helping verb comes in the starting of the sentence and the place of being remains before V3. In all types of sentence, positive, negative and interrogative, third form of verb is used in passive voice. Remember to use past participle for passive sentences. I would like to finish with these powerful words. Do the work you like and love the work you do. This much in this lesson. Bye.